Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Transporter T28 Startline with the business pack in the short wheelbase. If you have any further questions about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So this lovely T28 Transporter Startline comes in a solid paint colour candy white. Across the front of the radiator grills it features two chrome stripes, giving a lovely finish to the exterior of the vehicle. Across both of the front wings is some lovely Transporter badging, and down below the vehicle sits on the 16-inch steel wheels with the 20-hole design. The vehicle features a single sliding door located on the passenger side, behind which is a fully ply-lined load area, as well as a step for easy access and exit to the side of the vehicle. The vehicle also features a full steel black bulkhead. The vehicle is equipped with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine and comes equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission for a more engaging drive. To the rear of the vehicle it comes with a tailgate, behind which we can take another look at that load area, which also includes multiple lashing points, and that steel black bulkhead provides an insulating layer for noise and temperature. Across the outer side of the tailgate is some lovely Transporter badging and the iconic lights. Dotted along the rear bumper are some rear parking sensors which show a coloured Park Pilot display system within the cab. Speaking of cab, let's move up and take a look at the interior of the cab itself. Behind the driver's door, the driver is greeted with a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, along with a colour 6.5-inch touchscreen. In the rest of the cab there is ample leg space, as well as a 2-seater passenger bench and a driver seat with 2 armrests finished in the lovely bricks woven fabric. So ladies and gentlemen, that will fully conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter in the short wheelbase Startline. If you have any further questions about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. Stick around, as later on in the video we'll explore that interior in much greater detail. So thank you for sticking around. The controls for the electronically operated as well as the heated wing mirrors are located on the driver's door card. Moving over to the very handsome 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, this allows the driver to have a more hands-on driver experience. The driver can select from a variety of different menus such as driving data, vehicle information, what's been played on the infotainment system. The driver can also choose to access the driver convenience options and assist settings. This vehicle features the adaptive cruise control. The colour touchscreen also comes with App Connect, which allows you to seamlessly connect your Apple or Android smartphone to your vehicle using navigation apps such as Apple Maps and Google Maps, listen to your favourite music through Spotify or Apple Music, and also voice recognition in order to control your phone with your voice whilst driving safely, and much more. The vehicle also comes with access to AM, FM as well as DAB radio stations, providing a wide and varied list of different music genres. Driver or passengers can also choose to connect with the Bluetooth audio function. There is also a start-stop button, as well as in the rest of the cab a 12-volt outlet as well as 2 USB-C outlets. Underneath the twin passenger bench up front there is additional storage underneath, and the upholstery is finished in that lovely bricks woven fabric. So ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately that will fully conclude the video there. If you have any further questions, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. If you like what you've seen in this video, then feel free to leave a like and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our latest stock. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.